Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. I'm out here today. Y'all know I've been trying to lose some weight recently, and something I've neglected to do my entire life is pick up these sticks. I hardly ever clean up out here. So I thought, hey, I'm trying to lose some weight. What better exercise than going out and cleaning up a bunch of sticks and twigs and raking up some leaves in a spot that I never mow because of all the sticks and stuff. So yeah, I think I just admitted to being like really lazy. But I mean, hey, see them as I call them. Call them as I see them, I should say. Anyway, so what I'm gonna do, what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna put you guys up on the building, put you guys on one of the windows or something, and time lapse it. And I'm gonna clean up this mess. I mean, as you guys can see, it's neglected. I mean, I say I've never done it, but I mean, I've done it a few times here, there, and yonder. Just never my biggest priority. And so I'm gonna try and get it looking halfway decent today. See, there's trash. Some of the dogs, my brother's got some dogs, and they like to drag trash up and leave it wherever they decide to leave it. So yeah, anyway, got my rake out here, got me a couple bottles of water, got my suction cup mount, got the mower hooked to the trailer. I've already picked up some on my way over here. There was like some little piles, I'm guessing somebody piled up and just never picked them up. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna put you guys on the side of the building and I'm going to get started, and I'll see y'all shortly. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I am in the building now, standing in front of the air conditioner. It's a little hot outside. I think it's like, actually I'm not even going to guess, I'm just going to look at my phone right quick. Let's see what it actually is. It is, as soon as I find out where they're at, 81 degrees, 84 degrees. Show you guys, 84. Whew, it's hot. Anyway, so I had the rake out there. I told you guys my plan was to pick up all the bigger stuff and then rake up. As you've seen in the time lapse, may or may not have picked up some bigger stuff, and I started raking over in the area by the road, and then my rake snapped on me. So I picked up all the bigger stuff. I don't have another rake. Don't feel like driving 20 minutes to the hardware store to pick up another rake right now. So I'm just gonna go grab our old mower and mow over that little stuff, mow over those leaves and kind of cut them up and mulch them up, and hope that kind of clears it up just a little bit. Kind of helps it look a little better out here. I mean, it's gonna look better anyway because all the grass will be cut down. But anyway, so I will be back shortly. I'm gonna go grab that other mower, and then I'm gonna start cutting, and I'll put you guys probably back on a time lapse for that too. But alrighty, we'll catch y'all in a minute. All right, guys. It has been a couple hours since that last clip. As you can see, I got all the mowing done. There was still a good bit of sticks under the leaves that I didn't see, but not too terrible. I gotta get the weed eater. I was gonna go ahead and do it today and grab the weed eater and weed eat around all this, but when I do, I need to do the whole property, and it's about 4 acres or more, and I just didn't feel like doing that today. So the next couple of days I'm gonna grab it out and I'm gonna walk around the property and weed eat everything. But yeah, I need to get me a little sprinkler out here and water this so some of my grass will grow back and won't be so dusty, because I don't know how it come across in the time lapse. I hadn't looked at the video yet, but in person it was pretty rough, all that dust. I kind of regretted not wearing some kind of mask or something, because I'm sure my sinuses are going to hate me tomorrow. But anyway, guys, that is going to be it for this video. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you enjoyed, leave a like. Stay tuned with me. This is kind of kicking my weight loss journey back off, because I've been off the bandwagon recently with things that have been going on. So this is me trying to get back on the diet, start exercising some more like I need to. But anyway, so stick with me. Look forward to more videos coming soon, and hopefully somebody will join me on my weight loss journey. That's my biggest thing, is nobody's holding me reliable for it. So if I slack off, nobody cares, because nobody else is trying to diet with me. So hold me responsible for my actions, guys. Anyway, so y'all have a good one. Like I said, if you enjoyed, hit that like button. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Y'all share, let everybody know to come and check out the channel, and I appreciate it. Y'all have a great day. We'll see you later.